How to make a countdown timer. Click on New button at the bottom of Project Panel and select Color Matte. The default settings are OK. Select a color you want and set a name, and click OK. Drag the color matte into Timeline to create a sequence from it. Now with Type tool, click on the preview window and type 1 to 5 in each line. Now with Selection tool, select the text in Timeline and go to Captions and Graphics tab. Now in Essential Graphic Panel, go to Edit tab and click on these buttons to align text to center, and then center the text horizontally and vertically. Now go back to Editing tab. Go to Effects panel and search for Transform. Drag and drop Transform effect into your text. With your text selected, go to Effect Controls, and under Transform, drag position second value to left, until the number 5 is at the middle of the screen. Now search for Crop effect and drag it into your text as well. Then click on the crop effect in Effect Controls to see its handles in preview. Drag the bottom and top handles until you see only the number 5. Now move the playhead at the start, and click on Stopwatch next to Position to create a starting keyframe. Move the playhead to time 1 second and click on the circle button to create a keyframe with current value. Then hold down Shift key and press right arrow key 2 times to go forward 10 frames and increase position second value until the next number is visible. And do this process for all other numbers. After that, uncheck the Use Composition Shutter Angle and set Shutter Angle to 180. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.